passing it. It started on about the third or fourth pole. Seems to pump water. I'm going to do a little research on it, see if I can identify exactly what kind of motor it is, but he said it was out of the late 1940s. Neat looking motor. Runs just like a deer.